The AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor delivers strong everyday and gaming performance with 8 cores and 16 threads that handle multitasking with ease. Its integrated Radeon graphics are capable enough to run many popular games at full high-definition resolution without needing a separate graphics card, which is ideal for compact or budget builds. The high maximum boost clock and generous cache keep applications feeling responsive, especially in content creation and light productivity workloads. Being fully unlocked gives enthusiasts room to fine-tune performance through overclocking when paired with adequate cooling and a capable motherboard. Support for high-speed double data rate for memory and modern storage interfaces helps this processor stay relevant for current and near-future software demands. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G processor is a balanced choice for users who want a single chip that can handle gaming, content creation, and general computing without fuss.